Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message for failed Razorpay payments. So I run an online store and I use Razorpay as my payment gateway to receive the payments from my customers. So now sometimes my customers fails to make a payment. So in this case I want that whenever a payment is failed through my Razorpay payment page, then automatically using that details a WhatsApp message should be sent to my customer using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message for failed Razorpay payments. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run an online store and I use Razorpay for processing payments. So sometimes customers might face issues during checkout leading to failed payments. So to improve customer experience and recover potentially lost sales, I want to send a WhatsApp message to notify them about the failed payment. So by automating this process, I can quickly inform customers that their payment didn't go through along with these steps to resolve the issue or offer assistance. This not only helps keep customers informed but also encourages them to complete their purchase, ultimately boosting my sales and customer satisfaction. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Razorpay payment page with my WhatsApp by AiSensy account so that whenever a payment is failed through my payment page, then automatically using that customer detail, a WhatsApp message should be sent to that customer by using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error free so you can focus on growing your business hassle free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message for failed Razorpay payments. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need and also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in our trigger step, we are going to select our trigger application as Razorpay because we are using Razorpay as our payment gateway to receive the payments. So I'm going to select my payment gateway, that is Razorpay. So Razorpay is a popular online payment gateway in India that makes it easy for businesses to accept payments from customers. Think of it as a bridge between your bank and your customers, allowing them to pay using various methods like credit cards, debit cards, net banking, UPI and more. People use Razorpay because it's user-friendly, secure and supports a wide range of payment options. Plus, it offers additional features like recurring payments, payment links and invoicing, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're running an online store or offering services, Razorpay helps you handle payments smoothly and efficiently. So here in my Razorpay trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as payment failed, so that whenever a payment is going to be failed in our Razorpay payment page, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever a payment is going to be failed in our Razorpay payment page, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get the trigger. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account, and from here I'm going to click on this account and settings given the left side bar. And here under account and settings, you can see website and app settings. And here under website and app settings, I'm going to select the option of webhooks over here. And here under webhooks, I'm going to create a new webhook by clicking on this add a new webhook button given over here. And then here it is asking me for the webhook URL. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and then here it is asking me to select the active events. So here in this active events field, I need to select the event on which I want to trigger this workflow, or you can say on which I want to receive the response in this particular webhook. So here I'm going to select the same event that I have selected in my Pabbly's workflow trigger. So here I'm going to select my active event as payment failed, so that whenever the payment is going to be failed, then automatically we are going to receive the response on this particular webhook URL. And now here, after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on this create webhook given over here. And here you can see it says webhook saved successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Razorpay account, and we have successfully built a connection between our Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here, to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test failed payment in our Razorpay payment page. So for that, let me take you to my payment page. So this is my Razorpay payment page of my store, and here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here you can see the amount has been fixed over here. So here I can't enter the amount. And here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytunes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter the random phone number. And here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as test user. And now I'm going to click on this pay button given over here. And here you can see it is asking me to select the payment option over here. So here you can see that my payment is in a test mode. So here I'm going to make a test payment. But here, as I'm running this workflow for the payment failed, so here I'm going to make a payment which is going to be failed. So I'm going to enter the random card number. Here I'm going to enter the random month, year. Here I'm going to enter a random CVV. And here for the card name, I'm going to enter the card name as test user. And then I'm going to click on this continue. And then maybe later. And here you can see it is asking me for the OTP over here. So here I'm not going to enter the OTP till this timeout time. And after passing this particular timeout time, it is automatically going to be a failed payment. So for that, we have to wait here for some time. So let's wait over here. So here you can see we have successfully made a failed payment over here. That means the payment was not successfully completed because we didn't provided the OTP over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where the payment entity status is failed. Scrolling little down, here you can see the order ID. Here you can see our customer's phone number. Here you can see the customer name that we entered was test user. And here you can see our customer's email, that is test@pabblytunes.com. Scrolling little down, here you can see the payment method. Here you can see the error reason, that was payment cancelled. Scrolling little down, here you can see the error description and some other details over here. So now once we have received a failed payment response over here, we are going to use these details and send a WhatsApp message to our customer to complete the payment. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now let's move to our action step. And here in this action step, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to our customer by using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by AiSensy. So WhatsApp by AiSensy is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging, and customer support. People use it to manage customer interactions more efficiently, send personalized messages, and automate common tasks on WhatsApp. It's popular because it helps businesses stay connected with their customers on a platform they already use, making communication smoother and more effective. And here in my WhatsApp by AiSensy action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever we are going to receive a failed payment through our Razorpay, then automatically using that customer detail, a WhatsApp message should be sent to our customer using WhatsApp by AiSensy through a template message. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by AiSensy with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by AiSensy account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the API key. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my WhatsApp by AiSensy account. And from here, I'm going to click on this manage option. And here under manage, you can see we have received the option for API key over here. So I'm going to select it. And here you can see the API key we have received. So I'm going to copy this API key, but if you wish, then you can regenerate the API key from clicking on this button given over here. And now here, after copying this API key, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the API key. And now here, after entering this API key, I'm going to click on this save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So in this campaign name field, I need to enter the campaign name which I have created for my template. So here to get this campaign name, we firstly need to live a campaign. So for that, let me take you back to my AiSensy account. And here in my AiSensy account, I'm going to click on this template message. And here in the all section, you can see the templates which I have created for my use till now. So here in this case, we are going to use a template that is named as payment failed. So firstly, we are going to create a campaign for it. So for that, I'm going to click on this campaigns button given over here. And from here, I'm going to click on this launch button given over here. And from here, I'm going to select API campaign. Now here under API campaign, you can see it is asking me to give the campaign name. So here I'm going to give the name as Razorpay payment failed. So this is my campaign name, and here for the template, I'm going to select my template which I've already created with the name payment failed. So this is my template, and here you can see the message which I've drafted which says, hello, 1. We noticed that your recent payment on our store didn't go through. No worries, this happens sometimes. To complete your purchase, please try again using the link given below. So this is my payment page link, and if you need any help or have questions, feel free to reach out. We are here to assist you. Thank you for shopping with us. Best regards, ABC Store. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name because I want whenever I'm going to receive a new payment failed through my Razorpay payment page, then automatically this previously existing customer name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes your text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So this is my message template, and now I'm going to launch this campaign by clicking on the set live button given over here. And we have successfully launched our campaign, where you can see the status has been live over here, and here you can see the campaign name. So I'm going to copy this campaign name, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. So now here, after entering the campaign name, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I need to enter my customer's phone number. So here, instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my previous step. Mapping makes a text dynamic, so that whenever we are going to receive a new failed payment through our Razorpay payment page, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my customer's phone number. So this is my customer's phone number. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the username. So I'm going to enter my customer name. So for that, I'm going to map my customer name. So this is my customer name. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the source and the tags. So here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me for the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to enter the value for my variable that I have used in my template. So as I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template, that is for the name. So here in this template parameter field, I need to map my customer's name. So I'm going to map my customer's customer name again. So this is my customer name. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the attributes, URL and the file name. So again, these fields are not required fields where I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to remove this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So here I've successfully entered my phone number. So now moving forward, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to our customer. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see the message that I have received on my WhatsApp. It says, hello test user, we noticed that your recent payment on our store didn't go through. No worries, this happens sometimes. To complete your purchase, please try again using the link given below. If you need any help or have questions, feel free to reach out. We are here to assist you. Thank you for shopping with us. Best regards, ABC Store. So this is the message that we created and we have received for a failed payment through Razorpay. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Razorpay and an action as WhatsApp by AiSensy. So that whenever a payment is going to be failed through a Razorpay payment page, then automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that customer using WhatsApp by AiSensy. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.